Hello friends, how are you? So recursion function we are studying, so I just giving an example of recursion. How can we implement? So WRIT, write to display Fibonacci series using recursion functions. So friends, I just tell you how can we make a recursion function with a Fibonacci series. So first create a function, define word and recur func functions recur fibo Fibonacci series, and parameter is 1 for n parameters. Now check the condition. If n double equals to 1, n less than equals to 1, अगर n less than equals to 1 हो तो return n. Now else part, return recur fibo recur fibo, which one? N minus 1 plus, okay, recur fibo n minus 2. So both two condition it will be follow of this rule. So n first n minus 1 plus n minus 2, that is the rule. Okay, now our next topic is n terms. So we input terms, it goes to integer input enter enter how many terms required in the series. So how many terms you want to enter, that is the main. So print command we use FIBONACCI SERI Fibonacci series SEQUENC sequence generated is. So this will be message show when Fibonacci series will be generated. So now first we create a function, that type of function, then we use the things. Now we use for loop also. For I and range is n terms, whatever we are taking input, n terms. Now print command is here, recur fibo Fibonacci of I. So I'll try to execute what will be the options. So I just put it a number of 6. 6 का Fibonacci कितना होगा, you can see that 0 1 plus 1 0 1 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 2 5. Good. So if you generate a 13 number Fibonacci, it's typical to calculate 5 3 8 13 21 34 55 89 and that's more. यानी कि this number and this number in add, it will be generated next number. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci series code. You can write down how can we use Fibonacci series. You also can make a factorial program just like of them. Just use a code of if n is equals to 1 and then return n and else part return use 2. Just use n into your function name and bracket n minus 1 code should be there, and it will be implement of this code. So if you don't mind, I'll try to execute of this code if you don't mind. So I'll make this code. Okay, so just a copy of this code and I'll just implement of this code. A simple difference, Fibonacci की जगह factorial, FACTORIL factorial using recursion function. Suppose so we just use recur fact function we are using recurve flex n, or only just change n double equals to 1. First condition it will be changed, and if n double equals to 1, return n, and else, and all the things should be done. Okay, so backside portion it will be removable, and now whatever you just write n into recur fact FSCT n into recur fact n minus 1. Now it will change the things. Okay, so input, we are taking input n terms, numbers we just write down numbers, num. So number is the integer input, enter the number of factorial you want. Okay, you want. So okay, now after that just take the condition, or if num greater than 0, अगर नंबर ग्रेटर देन 0 हो तो प्रिंट कमांड इज हियर, सॉरी factorial for a negative number does not exist. So friends, if a greater than less than 0 a condition is there, that means factorial will not be printed. So we use elif condition again, ki number double equal to 0. If number double equal to 0, then a command should be print. What command print? Okay, so command is print the FACTORI factorial number of 0 is 1. So we just use this thing. Okay, so don't. Now next command is else, and all the commands should be removed. Okay, so else part is a very important part, my dear friends. Okay, else part. So else part we use, it's a very important part. Okay, so the FACTORI factorial of number is recur fact number. So friend, this is the code we can execute, and then what, see the error. So I just put the 6 number, 6 720 is the right, I think. How? Just you can amaze that how can we generate a factorial. So 6 into 5, how much? 6 into 5. Just I'm clearing a thing. So okay, 6 5 4 3 6 5 4 3 2 and 1, and now 0. So suppose 6 into 5 is equals to 30, and now into, okay, so a value as 30 into 4 is equals to 120. Now 120 into 360. Now 360 into 2 equals to 720. Now 720 into 1 equals to 720. Then 0 into 720. So our code is termination with 0 6 5 4 3 2 0. So it goes to 0. So that means our output will be there. N minus 1 is the condition. This is the follow. So this is the output of that code. Then it will be reflect the answers. Okay. So friends, number of things, binary search list you also can perform. I just want to tell you a simple different program is here. Write a recursive program implement binary search in list of arrays. So we just making a program. So in this technique, whatever we are queuing, just I tell you okay how to make a binary search using recursion. So define a function bin or serch binary search. So binary search is so friends, we are just making a program, binary search program. So define a function binary search, list low, high and value. We are having 4 parameters on that block, that function, and just comparison of checking if high should be less than of low. अगर high less than equals to low हो जाए तो what is the return, return none. Okay, now else part. Then else part we are just doing कि if id midval equals to a variable is here, so low plus high minus low divisor multiply okay 2, and then it should be our, and now we just write a comment search item with middle most value. So we just do कि our code is here. If list of midval should be greater than value. If a list of midval should be greater than of, return binary search list high, low and value. So these are the 4 parameters, but we should try to do first is a list, second is a low, and we just remove the high value. Okay, and so midval minus 1 comma 1. These are the 4 parameters we are passing the things. Now elif we are using elif list of mid value should be less than of value. If should or, so what should we write? Return binary search list comma low comma mid value plus 1 comma value. That is the condition will be followed. Okay friends, so these are the 2 conditions. Now after that we are using else part. So else part, return midval. Now list is a variable again, and we just made a list 1 comma 5 4 comma 7 comma 20 23 comma 39 comma 98 to 92 comma 110. So this is the my list, and print command is here. So print command, it should be a binary search. So we just make a list comma and put a value 0, 4, 39. So 3 value is here on my side, and again a print command is here, and binary search list comma 0, 5, 100. So 0, 4, 100. Okay, 2 lists we are giving. So execute and try to whatever. Error. What is the error? Invalid syntax. Okay, how it is invalid? Okay, so 1 and 1, 2. I think 1 parameter is left. Okay. So we are getting error once again, friends. Print binary says list 0439. So mid value for 3 and none. So maximum recursion depth exceed in a comparison. So I think our recursion list is the comparison for maximum 0 list and 100. So 39, 4. We are having 4 commands. So friends, just look at this program. This is the binary search program. Define binary search. 4 parameter we are doing. Compare the condition, return null. अगर high less than low हो तो return none. Then else mid value of low, high, low divisor by 2. If list mid value this. So अगर mid value greater than हो value से तो कौन सी condition return करेगा? लो मिड वैल्यू से -1 करके वैल्यू. अगर मिड वैल्यू लेस देन हो वैल्यू से तो क्या रिटर्न करेगा हमारा ऑपरेशन? लिस्ट मिड वेल +1 हाई एंड वैल्यू एंड देन रिटर्न मिड वेल, एंड दिस इज द लिस्ट वी कैन जनरेट एंड वी सी द आउटपुट्स. सो आवर फर्स्ट कंडीशन थर्ड, मिड वैल्यू इज थर्ड नंबर. सो 0, 1, 2, 3 अकॉर्डिंग टू टर्म्स की वैल्यू इज लेस देन, सो -1 मिड वैल्यू से -1 हो गया. नाउ सेकेंड टर्म मिड वैल्यू लेस देन वैल्यू तो क्या हो जाए? नन, क्योंकि लेस देन वैल्यू से नहीं हो सकता मिड वैल्यू. दैट इज द आंसर. गॉट इट फ्रेंड्स? दिस इज द बाइनरी सर्च एलिमेंट. यू कैन ट्राई. नाउ just simple one thing I just convey, then finish this chapter. So recursion versus iteration, यानी कि क्या है? What is recursion and what is iteration? So recursion and iteration are interrelated concepts. Recursion and iteration are interrelated concept, friends, and so एक interrelated concept है. So problems कुछ है नहीं, only just there are subtle difference in the manner of loops. So इसमें कोई ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. It is very if it uses the same memory locations and variables, uses same memory locations and variables. फ्रेंड्स ये सेम मेमोरी लोकेशंस और वेरिएबल यूज करते हैं, सबसे बड़ी बात तो यही है. मेमोरी स्पेस जो अलोकेट होता है वो रिकर्सिव कहलाता है, और उनका आइटरेशन कैन बी सोल्ड यूजिंग द रिकर्जन, एंड iteration can be solved using RECUR, recursion. So friends, today our one topic is finished, just like functions, recursion, any type of function in Python, we just finish them. And now our next topic is very interesting. We are going to start using Python library. Using Python libraries. So Python libraries में हमारे पास आता है GUI, Tkinter, बहुत सारी लाइब्रेरीज हैं, आपने सुना होगा पाइथन का, जैसे कि मैटप्लॉटलिब मेनली ग्राफ्स प्लॉट करने के लिए होता है, sklearn, scikit-learn, numpy नंबर्स के लिए होता है, और pandas आपकी CSV फाइल्स को इनपुट आउटपुट के लिए होता है, पाईगेम गेम्स क्रिएट करने के लिए होता है फ्रेंड्स, बायोपाइथन जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं बायोलॉजी के उनके लिए होता है फ्रेंड्स। सो ऐसे नंबर ऑफ NLT के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टेक्स्ट को स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन एंड टेक्स्ट कैलकुलेशन, टेक्स्ट मूविंग एंड टेक्स्ट रीडेबल फॉर्म के लिए जो प्रोग्रामिंग होती है, स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन, टेक्स्ट रिकॉग्निशन, टेक्स्ट राइटिंग, उनके लिए NTL के यूज होता है। तो नंबर ऑफ लाइब्रेरीज हियर जस्ट लाइक अ डेटा विजुलाइजेशन। डेटा विजुलाइजेशन के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं मैटप्लॉटलिब, जो कि वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है मैंने ग्राफिक्स के लिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, Django है, वेब फ्रेमवर्क है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन इन दिस न्यू सेशन दिस Django हैज़ बीन रिमूव्ड, आई थिंक CBSE. So tomorrow we'll start the types of library packages. It is very important how to make a module. मॉड्यूल कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे क्या करना है, मॉड्यूल डिज़ाइन कैसे होगा, किस तरह मॉड्यूल बनेगा, सारी चीज़ें आपको सिखाई जाएगी। जैसे कि इंपोर्ट पाइथन मॉड्यूल है, वो मॉड्यूल कैसे बना, तो कैसे हम लाइब्रेरी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, ये सब आपको बताया जाएगा। तो प्लीज़ डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, वॉच, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक द बेल आइकन। थैंक यू।